This video is designed for you to play along with to get your mass band drum scores up to a really good standard. I'm James Laughlin and this is the Pipe Band Drumming YouTube channel. I'm a former 7-time world champion drummer and it's my mission to get as much free education for rudimental drumming and pipe band drumming out into the world. So while you're here, please hit subscribe and also the little notification bell so you'll get notified every single time I put fresh drum scores up and fresh lessons. In today's video, Sebastian is going to be playing this for you. So Sebastian's actually a student of mine in my pipe band drumming inner circle. He's also an open, professional level solo champion. I hope you enjoy it and be sure to use the settings function to slow down the video. There's a little toggle. If you click that, it'll slow it down for you so you can play along slowly. Repetition is what's going to get you towards that successful outcome. So make sure you come back and slow it down and get those repetitions happening. And also, if you want to get a free copy of all the mass band drum scores, I've compiled them from all of the regions of the world into one PDF. So there's a link in the description. You can go and get your hands on that full PDF with all the drum scores and all the mass band settings from across the planet. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed playing along with that mass band drum score setting. Be sure to go back and hit repeat and get it up to speed so that you're confident with it. If you've got any challenges, comment below and let me know. I'll be sure to jump in and support you. And remember, you can get a full PDF with all of the world's mass band drum score settings if you click the link in the description. Have a great day and keep up your drumming.